Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book hotels on Expedia? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want. And once you've done that, go ahead and open your browser. And finally, simply go ahead and search for Expedia just like that. And simply go ahead and click on the first link that pops up. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select on stays, because there's a lot of things that you can simply go ahead and select, like stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. So in stays, you need to simply go ahead and select where you're headed to. For example, I'm headed to here, and go ahead and select your dates. So when are you checking in and when you're checking out, and simply go ahead and click on done. Also select how many travelers are headed there, and all you need to do is go ahead and click on search. And finally, all you need to do is simply go ahead and find the perfect hotel that you want to go ahead and stay in. So for example, if I want to go ahead and stay here, all I need to do is simply go ahead and book these rooms by clicking on reserve right over here and entering your payment details. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.